Hey, how's it going? You and I today are at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and checking out a 2023 Polaris Sportsman 450 HO. Stay tuned, we'll talk some specs. So this guy is going to be a liquid-cooled 499cc. It's got the one-touch on-demand all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive that Polaris is known for. Still no engine braking. 4-stroke single overhead cam single-cylinder engine. It is electronically fuel-injected. 33 horsepower, and it's got the automatic CVT transmission like they all do with your park, reverse, neutral, low, and high. Its estimated dry weight is going to be 342 kilograms or 755 pounds. Your front rack is going to hold 40 kilograms or 90 pounds. Your rear rack is going to hold 81 kilograms or 180 pounds. Those are half decent, that's good. You've got a 17 liter or 4.5 gallon fuel capacity. You've got 29 centimeters or 11.5 inches of ground clearance, which is good. Your payload capacity is 220 kilograms or 485 pounds. And you've got a 128 centimeter or 50 inch wheelbase. So when it comes to stopping this thing, you're going to have a single lever 3-wheel hydraulic disc brake system and a rear foot brake as well. It's got park in the transmission and a lockable lever for your parking brake. So the front suspension is going to be a sealed McPherson strut with 20 centimeters or 8 inches of wheel travel. The rear suspension is going to be a sealed dual A-arm independent suspension with 24 centimeters or 9.5 inches of wheel travel. I must say the McPherson strut thing is so old. Polaris, you need to change your game. Everybody else has switched over to the good stuff. You're going to have a 612 kilogram or 1,350 pound tow rating. And a 1.25 inch tow hitch. Come on, Polaris. Time to play with the big boys. Again, I would recommend changing at least the 2 lower headlights on this to LEDs if you plan on doing anything serious at night. It does come with a front bumper, being the utility package. And pre-wired for hand and thumb warmers, which is kind of cool. An in-pod battery charger, that's kind of neat, and the winch mount is included. This particular bike will come with the winch and the plow, as you see. Ride command is also available for this one if you want to pay the extra. It is not power steering equipped, so your front tires are definitely some entry level. They're called 489s. They're a 25 by 8 by 12 for the front, 25 by 10 by 12 in the rear, so they're going to be a very typical size. They'll be fairly easy to find, and a 12-inch steel rim. So it's a pretty cool color. I like that burnt orange type thing. It's really cool that it's got a third light at the top so you can see where you're about to turn into. That's huge. Front bumper is good. It's cool that you got some sort of a racking system on top here. And with Polaris, as most of you know, there's always storage space underneath the front rack. So that's where you're going to find your battery. Pretty cool. Fully enclosed footwells too. Your fuel tank's on top. And you've got a 12-volt port here. And this will be your charging port as well, so you can just plug your battery tender right there. And I'm sure you could probably use that in reverse too to plug an accessory in there too. But a fully digital display. It's nice up and high. It's in your face, which is good. Typical switches. You got your all-wheel drive switch there and your throttle. I like the fact that they still kept a steel rack for the back. It's really interesting design. It's not just your typical bars that go straight across, but it's still metal. I like that. Just more reliable in my opinion. Gonna have your tail light there, and there's your baby trailer hitch. Pretty cool. And again, like most quads, they're fully automatic as well. So once again, we're checking out a 2023 Polaris Sportsman 450 utility HO. So appreciate you guys clicking on the video and checking this out for today. And with that, I guess I'm out of here. There's also something huge that's coming onto the channel that I'm about to put out in a week or so, maybe a bit longer. Something that I never thought I'd have on the channel, but I am super excited and very thankful for the opportunity to actually get in one and check it out. We are going to be doing a review on a Sherp. And if you don't know what a Sherp is, you're going to want to do some Googling time. What an amazing off-road amphibious vehicle. It's just incredible. So anyway, that's coming up really quick, and stay tuned for that. And with that, I'm out of here, guys. Thank you for everything, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.